Selective color with Photoshop, Quadree and Lewis. Project description. We basically going to describe our project. How to be artistic when creating images that are black and white with color elements. So basically a good photo that started off with color, like to the left, and ended up like a photo to the right, which was black and white. How to use hand painted layers in Photoshop. Basically a tool we use to make the picture a different color. How to create adjustment layers and masks in Photoshop. How to be creative when selecting photos. Make sure you have a good photo for your project. Concepts learned. A basic understanding of Photoshop. An example we use is how to improve an image, how to plan a workflow, and how to be flexible with changes. The Photoshop workspace. Examples we used for this one was your documents and files using various elements, such as panel bars and windows. Any arrangement of these elements is called a workspace. Photoshop tools and image adjustment techniques. An example we used from our project was histogram and curve adjustment tool. So the fun aspects of our project was taking pictures and using a new website I learned from my project. Screen-O-Matic was a great website I used because recording the screen made my project more effortless and less stressful. Windows Movie Maker was another tool I used for my project. It was difficult using this tool at first, but it was cool because you're making your own movie. So now I'm going to show you a picture of our project. As you can see, this is a koala bear. It started off with color, but we used the layer adjustment tool to make the picture black and white. So I'm going to show you what we did. It wasn't that much. We went to adjustments. As you can see, click image first, adjustments, go to the right, down to black and white. Click on black and white, turn the whole photo black and white. Then over here, you look for another tool that we use, which was selected color. Like if you didn't want the picture to be black and white, you could edit one of these on the right, one of these photos on the right, and change it to a different color. So yeah, it was easy, but again, it was hard. But back to the project. The challenges that we faced. The challenges me and my partner faced was using Photoshop selected color because we did not have a basic understanding of it. Basically, also picking a perfect photo was a challenge. Another challenge we faced was selecting the right color for our photo. Of course, me and my partner solved these challenges. Me and my partner solved these challenges by using social websites like YouTube, Google, and also others. YouTube really guided us a lot and helped me and my partner overcome a lot of our challenges, especially figuring out how to pick a color for our photo. And these are the social websites that we use. YouTube, as we said, of course Google, and Screencast-O-Matic.